context of any country, which one of the following would be considered a part of its social capital? The proportion of literates in the population, the size of the population, the stock of its building, other infrastructure and machines, the size of population in the working group, the size of population in the working is group. I think this थोड़ा यहाँ पे गलत टाइप्ड है ये, इसे हम अरे भैया काल मार्क्स वाला क्वेश्चन हो गया. The size of population in the working group आप वो ले लीजिए, मतलब population में कितने लोग हैं जो काम कर सकते हैं अभी और काम कर रहे हैं. The level of mutual trust and harmony in the society. All right. Answer is D for Delhi. इसे explain कर लेते हैं. So, in any economy, there are different types of capitals. All right. So you have कितना लिखा जाएगा? यहाँ कर लेते हैं. In any economy, you have different types of capital. Good Lord, this is awfully written. Just 1 second, please. You have, for example, I'll do a couple of them जो answers से related हैं. You have your human capital. You have a physical capital. And then let's say you have your social capital. Human capital का example हो गया आपकी answer choice. I hope you can hear me fine. Human capital का example हो गया आपकी answer choice A and C. The proportion of literates in the population. भाई कितने लोग हमारे population के अंदर पढ़ लिख सकते हैं? The size of the population जो working group में आती है, कितने लोग हमारे यहाँ काम कर सकते हैं या जैसे जो अभी काम कर रहे हैं. फिर the stock of his building, machinery, factory, other infrastructure ले लीजिए आप, जैसे metro, सड़कें, all those things, hospitals, schools, ये हो गया आपका physical capital. Social capital का example हो गया आपका D. The level of mutual trust and harmony in the society. The level of mutual trust and harmony in the society. That comes under the concept of social capital. ठीक है? अब mutual trust and harmony भाई ये कोई physical चीज़ तो है नहीं which you can measure कि भाई इतनी buildings हैं, इतनी सड़क, इतनी किलोमीटर सड़कें वगैरह. This all comes under सामाजिक social capital. भाई जितना अगर society के अंदर level of mutual trust है, उतना अच्छा है, उतना people will be able to trust each other more, have more contracts, do more business. Because देखिए business के अंदर it is always not necessary to have a written contract. A lot of India functions on oral contracts or the word of honor, right? तो अगर mutual trust है लोगों में, तो written contracts expensive होते हैं, lawyers लिखो, draft करो, sign करो, समय भी लगता है वगैरह, lot of wastage. Mutual trust है तो भाई हाँ ठीक है, आप आ जाओ, हम ये काम करेंगे, वो सब हो गया, protection हो गई, पैसे वैसे दे दिया, हो गया, काम खत्म. Leads to more production, adds to the GDP. Similarly, harmony in the society. आप समझ लीजिए सोसाइटी के अंदर हार्मनी नहीं है, लड़ाई झगड़ा होता रहता है, दंगे फसाद होते रहते हैं, तो कहाँ काम हो पाएगा? If students will not be able to go to the schools in the morning, the people will not be able to go to their offices, shops will remain shuttered, and the GDP will be affected. Hence, this is very important, and social capital में आता है level of mutual trust and harmony in the society. I'm going to give a couple of seconds as usual. Please jot it down if you want to, or if you already haven't.